Casio G-Shock GM2100-1A watch. Main features are Casio G-Shock GM2100-1A is a popular and stylish watch from the iconic G-Shock line. Case dimension 49.3 by 44.4 by 11.8 mm. Product weight 72 grams. Case material resin stainless steel. Bezel material stainless steel. Band material resin. Glass mineral glass. Water resistance 200-meter water resistance. Other functions: world time, 31 time zones, 48 cities plus coordinated universal time, daylight saving on-off. Stopwatch, 1/100-second stopwatch. Timer, countdown timer. 5 daily alarms. Hourly time signal. Auto calendar to year 2099. 12 by 24-hour format. Hand shift feature. LED light, super illuminator. Iconic octagonal shape, retains the classic G-Shock octagonal bezel design. Sleek and minimalist, features a sleek, minimalist aesthetic with a focus on functionality. Stainless steel bezel, adds a touch of sophistication and durability. Carbon core guard structure, provides enhanced shock resistance. Included components: G-Shock Casio metal cover octagonal black resin band watch GM2100-1A. GM2100-1A blends the iconic G-Shock design with a touch of sophistication thanks to its stainless steel bezel.